Hi, WEBBridge family. It's so great to have you back. I'm Miss Pariseau, and here is our Webster Jaguar. All right, I'm here today to share with you how we plan to celebrate you here at WEBBridge. So let's take a look. All right, if you're not already familiar with our values here at WEBBridge, they are for citizenship, respect, responsibility, integrity, perseverance, and above all, positivity. So let's take a look at how the staff here at WEBBridge would love to celebrate you exemplifying these values. All right, first up is our WEBB WAY cards. So if you've been to the school before, you may remember. Of course, last year it looked a lot different. We would hand out these cards, okay? And we just want to hand them out. Oh, that turned out really good. Okay, so this year you actually get the WEBB WAY cards. Students are going to be recognized for exhibiting our WEBB WAY value words, which are found on the back. So if you're doing something positive, if you're doing something respectful or being a good citizen, right? Hopefully we're going to get those staff members to recognize you and celebrate you. And that's great, right? We want to celebrate you for those value words. But Miss Pariseau, what am I supposed to do with these cards? They're great little tokens, right? You're right. What are we going to do with those cards? Well, when you get your card, or you can collect them, as you get them, you're going to go to the front office, and outside the front office at the message board, you will see 3 mailboxes, one for each grade level. So whatever grade level you belong to, you're going to stick it in the mailbox there, as shown by our lovely Miss Allenson. And then every Wednesday, there's a raffle drawing. And this year, we've got some great new additions to our raffle prizes. So first up, most thing that I'm excited about here is our raffle wheel. We're going to have a spin and have some mystery prizes such as candies. Yummy. Lots of goody toys and pens and squishies and poppets. The newest and latest fidget toy there. Lots of cool little fidget toys. Awesome prizes for you. And yes, your gum, but there are Sour Patch Kids too. Not my favorite, but there's something in there for everyone. But the best part is just spinning the wheel. How cool is that? So every Wednesday is WEBB WAY Wednesday here at WEBBridge Middle School, where we get to celebrate you for showing those value words. So just be your awesome selves and look out for those cards and save them up. Now, something else that we're doing this year is that we want to celebrate the staff that works here, and we want to give you a chance to give back to them and show them that how much you appreciate them. So you guys will get your own WEBB WAY cards to hand out to the staff. They'll be on different colors, and we'll do this once a month and focus in on one of our values for that particular month. So you simply get a card, fill it out for your staff, for your teacher, a staff here that you just see doing an awesome job. You circle why they're getting the card and maybe write them a lovely little note. I know that I still save mine from all the years that I've had students do it. It is something that we treasure the most. They mean so much to us. Your positive words to us, we eat it up, I'm telling you. So I want you to just hand those out to your teachers and other staff members here that you just think are truly embracing the values that we have here at WEBBridge. Okay, so what'll happen is you'll give it over to your teacher. They'll put it in their teacher mailbox, and then the teachers, if they get picked, they get a prize as well. So just like you guys get celebrated, you can celebrate your teachers. Now, other thing is we did always had class of the week, and we would email Mr. Melock, right? Well, now you don't have to email, don't have to remember any email. We're going to have QR codes up around the building where you can scan, and at any time you can fill out the digital link for nominating your class as the class of the week. What you're looking for is, does your class exhibit our value words? If they do, go ahead and fill it out and explain how your class is the class of the week and really promotes the WEBB WAY values. Now, one of the other rewards that you might not know too much about because it's not something that's handed directly to you or announced on the announcements or anything are what are called our WEBB WAY referrals. Don't worry, it's not a bad thing. It's a positive praise referral, or at least that's what it used to be called. but we want to exemplify that you are showing the WEBB way. And so here's some things. What are teachers looking for when they go to fill out the WEBB Way referral? They're looking for students who consistently, I mean, all the time, they're on point. Do you have your bad days? Yes. But are you excelling in the class as far as being a team player? Are you showing that community spirit? Are you a kind and responsive person to others? Are you there for the people in your class, not just your friends? Just all of those things just bottled up, and you were just doing it consistently. So teachers are going to be on the lookout for that consistent behavior as far as really showing those value words this year to give you some ultimate praise. And what that means is that once they get the praise referral, your administrator will reach out to you and will make a positive phone call home to your parents and just pour love on you and all that sweet, wonderful gooiness over the phone to your parents, saying how awesome you are, even though you probably already know it. So those are our WEBB Way rewards this year, and we are so excited to have you back. So welcome back. Let's make it a great year, and remember to exemplify those values here at WebBridge so that way you can have a turn on the wheel, and we are so glad to have you back in the building. Have a great year.